Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to start. Connect and mount the external drive, then create a dedicated iMovie library folder on it. First, check the format. Apps or Mac OS Extended works best for media. Avoid FAT32 for clips over 4 GB. Once done, open iMovie and choose File Open Library New, then point the library location to the folder you created on the external drive. This ensures your event and project files are stored externally and keeps your internal disk free for system performance. You'll import media into the external library now. Choose Import Media and confirm the destination library is the one on the external drive so clips are copied there. If you prefer referencing, be aware that drive removal will break links. Copying is safer. Next, organize with events, add keywords, and build smart collections to keep timeline prep fast. When transferring or backing up, use File Consolidate Library to ensure all media files live inside the external library folder, and run Verify Media if clips appear offline. You're at the finish line. Export and save projects directly to the external drive using ShareFile, choosing resolution and quality suitable for your deliverable. Make a redundant backup, either a second external drive or cloud storage, to protect against drive failure. If you encounter problems, first reconnect and power cycle the drive, then use iMovie's Locate Media or File Verify Media to relink clips. If relinking fails, consolidate the library to a different drive, then re-import. This usually resolves permissions and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.